Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting equation, and here we're going to solve for the value of x, right? Now let's get started. From the left hand side we have 2 to the power of x plus 6x. This is equal to 9. In our next step, let's subtract 6s from both sides. So here we get 2 to the power of x. This will be equal to 9 minus 6x. So let's change the sides of this equation. So we can make the right hand side the left hand side and the left hand side the right hand side. But the signs will remain the same. So we have 9 minus 6x. This will be equal to 2 to the power of x. So from here, let us factor out this coefficient of x, which is 6. So here we have 6 into bracket. This will be 9 over 6. Then minus x. This will be equal to 2 to the power of x. Right? So this fraction here, we can use 3 to divide the numerator and the denominator to reduce it to its lowest term. So we have 6 into bracket 3 over 2 minus x. This will be equal to 2 to the power of x. In our next step, let's divide both sides by this 6 here times 2 to the power of x. So here, divide this by 6, multiply by 2 to the power of x. And divide here by 6, multiply by 2 to the power of x. Right? Anytime you arrive at this point, always try to divide by this which you factored out from the bracket and this which is at the right hand side when you multiply them together. You know why? We can see that this can cancel this and this can cancel this from here. So we are trying to obtain numbers with no variable x at the right hand side, right? So here this is going to be 3 over 2 minus x, then times, remember this 1 over 2 to the power of x. Let us recall something. We know that 1 over a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of negative n, right? So 1 over 2 to the power of x is same as 2 raised to the power of negative x. And from this side, this is equal to 1 over 6. Okay? Now we're trying to make this whole term in this bracket to be equal with the power of 2 here. So what are we going to do? We know this algebraic law. We know that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? So this is trying to let us know that we should multiply both sides by something with a base 2. So that when we add the powers, we're going to get this. So let's multiply both sides by 2 to the power of this 3 all over 2. So here we get 3 over 2 minus x times 2 to the power of negative x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 over 2. This will be equal to 1 over 6 multiplied by 2 to the 3 over 2. So we add this power, negative x plus 3 over 2 is same as 3 over 2 minus x. So here we get 3 over 2 minus x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 over 2 minus x. This is equal to 1 over 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Now let us record this property. We know that a to the power of b is equal to e raised to the power of b times the natural log of a. Right? So we're going to apply that here. So this will be 3 over 2 minus x times e to the power of 3 over 2 minus x times the natural log of 2. This base here. Then this will be equal to 1 over 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Right? Now, we're going to make use of the Lambert W function, right? But we have a question here. Remember the Lambert W function with the following input. X times e to the power of x is equal to x, right? So which shows that the power of e and the coefficient must exactly be equal. But here the power of e and the coefficient here, they are not yet equal. The only slight difference here is this natural log of 2. So for us to make them equal, let's multiply both sides by the natural log of 2. So here we have 3 over 2 minus x times the natural log of 2 times e to the power of 3 over 2 minus x times the natural log of 2. So this will be equal to 1 over 6 times 2 to the power of 3 over 2 times the natural log of 2. Now we can take the Lambert W function on both sides, right? Okay, so the Lambert W function on both sides. So from here, the left hand side simplifies to 3 over 2 minus x times the natural log of 2. Then this will be equal to the W of, let's write this as 2 to the power of 3 over 2 over 6 times the natural log of 2. Divide both sides by the natural log of 2. So this will cancel this. So from here we get 3 over 2 minus x. This is equal to the W of 2 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 6 times the natural log of 2, or divided by the natural log of 2. Now from here we know that 3 over 2 minus x is this, so x is also equal to 3 over 2 minus this. So here we get our x value. X is equal to 3 over 2 minus the Lambert W function of 2 to the power of 3 over 2 over 6 times the natural log of 2, or divided by the natural log of 2. And this is approximately equal to 1.13417764502. And this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye bye.